Reggae Boyz are trending rapidly towards becoming an official headache team, like the West Indies and Manchester United. They struggled badly to beat Little Guadeloupe. We are now in a precarious position of facing a possible first-round elimination from the Gold Cup, unless we can beat Panama in the last group game. And while the ball is round, this Reggae Boyz team is playing chaotic football. They are playing the worst football of any recent Jamaican national team. Disjointed and disorganized, awful, in and out of possession. And remember, Guadeloupe is a little Caribbean pickup team. And they are moving the ball and transitioning from defense into attack and vice versa, smoother than the Jamaica team. And you see that soup World Cup group we're dropping out. Even that start look shaky now. The Reggae Boyz are playing chaotic, disorganized football. And the coach worse than me and worse than you. Him look like him don't have a clue.